Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. This video is in response to a comment from somebody asking for how to do Pico. So I'll try to do a quick video on this machine, Bernette Sew and Go. This is my Bernette Sew and Go 8. So I will do a quick video on that. I think this will be the same thing that is there for all mechanized, even mechanized sewing machines, even like Bernette B35, Singer Talent 3321, all those things. It should be the similar one. I'll just show you the basic steps and I think you can try it out. The first step is to change the presser foot. Let's do that. Let me switch on the machine. So press here, take off the presser foot, and I have two sets of presser foot here, this and this. I'm not sure which came with this machine. I'm a little confused here. I have so many generic ones, but for this purpose, let us try this bigger one. Relatively new. Just install it like this. Just keep on pressing. Lower your presser foot. Ta-da! So it's installed. Below here like this. I'll just take it like this. Now let's zoom in. Okay, we need a 6-sag stitch. Sorry, my symbol 6 sag. I've done 5, and here the stitch length is 2 default and the width is 5. That's what is given here. Okay, so let's go back here. I'll take the fabric and I will try to put it here, place it through the curve and draw over my sewing machine. So you can see that. Bring it closer. You can see that it is placed in the curve of the presser foot, and then we'll slowly stitch. Okay, so this is how it will come. This fabric has to go through the curve. So now you can see that the Pico has been done. So here what I will do is I will bring down the width slightly, little more. I will do a little more. Let's try a 4 or a 3.5. Okay, so we'll bring it down the width to 3.5, and let's try it again. Can you see? So here you need to let's test this. This is the Pico. So this we started with stitch length 5, and this is more rounded. You can see that when you reduce the width, it comes more clearer, and back is like this, beautiful. So I think this gives more definition to that rounded edges when the width is less. So this is how you do Pico. Let's try this edge also. So here to this side, take it, lower it, and bring the fabric to the curve. So this is how the Pico stitch looks. So this is come out well, kind of well. Yeah. Thanks for watching.